tired of your materials slipping, tearing, or not cutting quite right? Don't let the wrong mat ruin your Cricut projects. Hey everyone, welcome back to Robin and Creative. I'm Robin, and today we're talking about all things Cricut mats. Cricut mats are the secret to perfect cuts and smooth projects, but not all mats are created equal. Today, I'll break down the LightGrip mat, the StandardGrip mat, the StrongGrip mat, the FabricGrip mat, and the card mat, what they're for, when to use them, and tips to get the most out of each one. Let's get started. First up, the LightGrip mat, the go-to for thinner, more delicate materials like printer paper, washi tape, sticker paper, vinyl, vellum, and lightweight cardstock. It holds just enough without damaging your materials when you remove them, which is perfect for paper crafters. The StandardGrip mat is your all-around workhorse. Use it for medium weight materials like regular cardstock, patterned paper, and iron-on. If you're just starting with Cricut, this will probably be your most used mat. The StrongGrip mat is perfect for cutting heavyweight materials that require extra adhesion to stay in place during cutting. Here's a breakdown of what it's best used for. Thick cardstock, chipboard, balsa and basswood, leather, poster board, magnet sheets, glitter vinyl, and bonded fabric. This mat can also be used for fabric if you do not have a FabricGrip mat. Just make sure to bond it first. Bonded fabric refers to a type of material made by combining two or more different fabrics or materials through a bonding process. The StrongGrip mat is your go-to for projects where strength and stability are essential to achieving clean, precise cuts on heavier materials. Next, the FabricGrip mat, engineered for fabric lovers. This mat is specially designed for use with Cricut's rotary blade and works beautifully with materials like cotton, felt, and even leather. Finally, the card mat. This one is a game changer for making cards in a snap. It's designed for Cricut Joy, Explore machines, and the Maker models, letting you create insert cards without cutting all the way through. Ideal for custom greeting cards when you already have card blanks such as these from Paper Studio. Here are a few quick tips for using your mats. First, use a brayer tool to press your material firmly onto the mat to ensure it stays in place. The last thing you want is for your material to shift right at the end of your cut and destroy your project. Second, clean your mats regularly with a lint roller to keep them sticky. Or you could stock up on them while they're on sale. Third, consider using transfer tape as a buffer between your mat and your material, especially when cutting leather and balsa or basswood. Once your project is complete, simply remove the transfer tape and throw it away with all the debris attached. Fourth, use the plastic covers to protect them when not in use to preserve its stickiness. I like to use a piece of washi tape in the upper left corner to distinguish the front from the back because, yes, this does matter, and it makes it more visible when I need to find it at the end of my crafting session. And last but not least, rotate your mats often to prevent uneven wear. Did you know that you can load it from the bottom as well? And there you have it, the ultimate guide to Cricut mats. Whether you're working with paper, vinyl, fabrics, or cards, there's a mat to make your crafting easier and more fun. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Cricut tips and tutorials. Be sure to tell me what your favorite Cricut mat was. Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to know. Thanks for watching. Now, go create what's possible.